Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Azikin Hasmurah. My number is J1A119063. I am from Environmental Health Class 2019. Okay, here I will explain the journal title Knowledge and Practice of Midwives Regarding Zika Virus in Kendari, Southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia. The authors of this research journal are number 1 Ramadan Tosepu, number 2 Indri Eka Artamevia Khairunisa Patawari, number 3 Haryati Lestari, number 4 Siti Rabani Karimuna, number 5 Laode Muhammad Seti, and number 6 Vivi Nirmala. Okay, next in the section abstract. The first, background. In 2016, Zika virus infection became an international public health emergency concern. The second, objective. This study aimed to evaluate the knowledge and practice of midwives regarding the Zika virus. The third, methods. This research was an analytic study with a cross-sectional approach. A total of sample was 191, select using a proportional random sampling technique. WHO questionnaire was asked to collect data on knowledge and practice related to the Zika virus and a set of explanatory variables. The four result. The midwife knowledge of the Zika virus revealed that only the workplace and source of information were associated with knowledge of the Zika virus infection. Public health center had a greater chance of having got knowledge than hospital with OR 5130. And first new Zika information more than 1 year ago had a greater chance of having good knowledge than the first midwife know about Zika on the day the study was conducted with OR 3035. The, the five conclusion. Knowledge and practice regarding Zika virus infection among midwives in Kendari City, Indonesia was relatively good. Furthermore, midwives who worked in the public health center had a 5 times change compared to midwives who work in hospitals to have better knowledge related to the Zika virus. In keywords, Zika virus, knowledge, practice, midwife, Kendari, and Indonesia. Next, background. Zika virus is one type of arbovirus from the genus Flavivirus. This virus has a very close phylogenetic relationship with other arbovirus such as dengue and yellow fever. This virus identified in 1947, which found in the saliva of monkey in yellow fever. Indonesia has found a case of Zika virus infection, which in Jambi. Evidence of this virus infection was found from December 2014 to April 2015 due to an increase in the incidence of dengue on 1 February 2016. The Zika virus infection was declared a public health emergency of international concern by the World Health Organization. In Kendari City, Zika outbreaks have not reported to date. However, it is susceptible to the Zika Indonesia. Sorry, It is susceptible to the Zika outbreak, given that there is already evidence that shows that the Zika virus already exists in Indonesia. Zika virus vector is the same as the dengue fever vector, namely Aedes aegypti mosquito. Co-circulation of the Zika virus with dengue and chikungunya virus is most likely to occur in all the endemic areas. Indonesia is one of the largest dengue endemic countries and has experienced several outbreaks of chikungunya fever and inhabited by Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus mosquitoes. Next, the background. A midwife is a person who graduated from midwife education that has registered by statutory professions. One of the midwife's roles as a helper for normal stillbirth is to provide midwife care through consultation and referral in case of high-risk pregnancies and emergencies. Zika virus infection in pregnancies increase the risk of babies born with microcephalus. The importance of midwife knowledge of the Zika virus because midwives handle population with a high risk of being infected with Zika, namely pregnant women. Until now, that on knowledge and practice on Zika virus infection in health workers is still limited, especially midwives. The purpose of the study was to determine the knowledge and practice of midwives regarding the Zika virus. Next, methods. In the method, there are some points that will be discussed. Number 1, study design. Number 2, sample. Number 3, instrument. And number 4, data analysis and technical consideration. Next, study design. The research was a type of quantitative analysis with analytic observational research design using a cross-sectional study approach to analysis the characteristics of respondents to the knowledge and practice of midwife related to Zika virus in Kendari, Indonesia in 2019. The next sample. The population in the study was midwives who worked at the Kendari City Hospital, Bahtera Mas Hospitals, and all Kendari City Health Centers. The sample in this study amounted to 191, select using a proportional random sampling technique. Next, the instrument. Data collection tool as to WHO knowledge attitude practice are questionnaires organization. About midwife knowledge and practitionary measures on Zika virus and various explanatory variables. A. Class education, place of work, length of work, religion, ethnic, marital status, and source of information. The response variable in the study was knowledge and practice on the Zika virus. Knowledge and practice were measured using a questionnaire consisting of 19 and 10 questions respectively. Each correct answer was given a score of 1. Each participant knowledge and practice score are calculated as the total number of responses to the acknowledged score of more than 9.5 and practice of more than 5 indicate good knowledge and activities. Knowledge score for Zika virus infection range from 1 to 19, and ratings for practice agents Zika virus range from 1 to 10. For each respondent, the level of knowledge dichotomized into good and less, based on a 50% cut-off point fashioning the highest score research. Data analysis and ethical consideration. Data analysis. The relationship between knowledge and practice towards Zika virus infection and explanatory variable assessing logistic regression. One by one, the explanatory variables were included in the unvariate logistic regression, and all explanatory variables with p25 0.25. The regression coefficient expressed as an odds ratio with a 95% confidence interval. Ethical consideration. This study was approved by the Ethics Committee of the Hospital Bahtera Mas in Southeast Sulawesi Province, Indonesia. Okay, next, the results. In these results, there are some points that will be discussed. Number 1, characteristic of respondent. Number 2, knowledge of Zika virus infection. And number 3, practice against Zika virus infection. The first, characteristics of respondent. The number of respondents in this study was 191 respondents. Around 64% of the respondents were less than 35 years old. Most respondents, 17.5%, were midwife with D3 education level. Around 63% of the total respondents work at a public health center or health puskesmas, and 41.3% of respondents had a working period of 5 to 10 years. As many as 53.6.9 as many as 53.9% of respondents first knew Zika more than 1 year ago, and 61.88% of respondents got Zika information through the media. Next, knowledge of Zika virus infection. The study showed that 125, 65.4% of respondents had good knowledge of Zika virus infection. Variable explanatory variables for age, last education, place of work, length of employment, religion, ethnic material status, and source of information were associated with knowledge of Zika virus infection based on average analysis. The multivariate analysis model relevant only these two factors, workplace and source of information, were associated with knowledge of Zika virus infection. Next, practice against Zika virus infection. In total, only 152, 79.6% of respondents had right effects against Zika virus infection. This study showed that the explanatory variable of age, less education, place of work, length of employment, religion, ethnic, material status and information sources were associated with practice agent Zika virus infection based on invariant analysis. The multivariate analysis model was not performant because there was no explanatory variables whose p-values were less than 0.025. Good that less entered on conclusion. Knowledge and practice regarding Zika virus infection in midwife in Kendari City were relatively good. Furthermore, midwife who worked in the public health center had a 5 times change compared to midwives who worked in hospital to have better knowledge related to the Zika virus. And midwives who first learned about the Zika virus in the past first few years had a three-time change compared to midwives who worked in hospitals to have better knowledge related to Zika virus. There were no significant explanatory variable with midwives' practice on Zika virus. Thank you, maybe that's all I can send. See you.